That was a little grindy. Got a little horn here. It's that oil tanker over there. Let's speed this one up. And get the under control there. I lighted some of the buildings. I got I think this is a Tyco, old Tyco building. I changed a few things, wired some stuff. I got DCC controllers, where I got one controller underneath there, and I can switch it to whatever controller I'm using. And I'll show you what the controller is if you've never seen one. I'll get it in this box here. There it is. You got all your functions on them, because this type of system is digital. So if you had sound on your locomotives, you can beep the horns and all that stuff, turn the lights on and off. Down here is for when you got you got other engines hooked together. You can control them that way. Pretty neat. I'm not sold on the whole digital thing. I'm more used to the older analog way of doing it. But I mean, it's cool. I got a track maintenance car that I put a DCC decoder in it, and so that I can individually control functions. Because with these, you wouldn't be able to do that. You would have to, if you wanted full power on the one thing, the other engine would pull the thing too fast. So with this, you can individually control each one. So pretty cool. I don't like this cable that they give you. I mean, they give you this one, which I would rather use, but it won't work with the. It's for an auxiliary throttle that you can get, which is stupid. I rather have this type of plug-in than that flat cable. But here's my booklets there. Yeah, I don't have too many DCC stuff. I got a couple things up here. And when I put stuff on, here, switch it over there. That one's DCC, even though it says I put a decoder in this one. Let's see here. This is the track maintenance car. It has this little you can put sanding discs on the bottom and buffing discs. And I got a bunch of my older stuff there. I really like these boxes though. You know, the old graphics and stuff on them. Because I used to have an Astron, I think it was a tool car or something, and it came in one of these boxes. And that's back, you didn't have the internet back then when I was into trains back in the 90s. So, I mean, but this is what you would look at because you couldn't look it up online. So, Here are all your different ones. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty much built a layout on the top of my bench. I know I've shown it before, but I've made changes to it, and there's I got 22 radius curves on it because for the bigger engine, because my Centennial can't get around 18s too well, or I'll popping off the track every once in a while. This thing right here, this big guy. Oh, but yeah, pretty neat. I'll have to show sometime with it all working. Maybe do a video on this. Maybe, I don't know. I don't really know how to use it too well. I mean, well, whatever. So this is my little layout, and it's on top of my bench here, which I have all my other shit here. This thing works, but I got a newer version, so I got the old one sitting here. I don't know what to do with it. Either I'm gonna use it for parts or give it away or sell it to somebody. I don't know. Needs a new home. So, and I was working on my change machine and my home arcade, and it finally got that working, but what a pain in the ass that was. So, little update video of what I don't know, but update video. So, see you guys later. Bye.